Good morning, guys. Good morning, and happy Sunday. I hope everybody's doing fantastic on this beautiful Sunday. I hope everybody went to church, and got the sermon. But this video is not about churches and sermons. This video is going to upset a whole lot of people, a whole lot of people. But I don't care. Okay, some people might agree with me, but I know that the majority of the people won't agree. Now, if you go to a restaurant, if you decide, look, you want to go to a restaurant, or maybe to a fast food takeout place, to go have dinner with your partner. Make sure that you leave your baby or your young child at home, please. If you know that your child is hyperactive, leave your child at home. If you know that your child is a very, very naughty child, leave your child at home. Don't bring your child to the restaurant or to the takeout place. Leave your children at home, because a restaurant and a takeout spot is there for people to relax and to enjoy their meal. Because what is the point of going out to the restaurant or to the takeout place, and you going there and you hear a lot of crying babies and kids that can't sit still, and they run up and down. They are disturbing your peace. They are disturbing your meal. Okay. Now you, as the individual, you don't want to confront, the parents and tell the parents, listen, your child or your baby is making too much noise. Okay. You don't want to do that, because it might escalate, to a argument, and the argument, might escalate to a fist fight. Then you guys will get thrown out, and the possibilities or of getting banned, okay, at the restaurant. Okay, that is something that I don't want, because it is not nice, to sit in McDonald's, or you sit at Burger King, and then there's babies crying. Okay, now these parents, they bring all the kids, okay, to McDonald's or maybe to Burger King. All the kids, they maybe have 4 or 5 kids, and all of those kids are naughty, and they can't sit still. Okay, now they are disturbing your time out. They are disturbing your peace. You're not enjoying your meal, because now you have to hear this, and the mommy and the mother and the father, they are shouting at the kids to be quiet, and you have to listen to all this BS. If you know that you have naughty children, leave your kids at home. If you can't find a babysitter, then stay at home. Rather, phone Uber Eats or whatever delivery service you have in your country, DoorDash or whatever. Tell those people to deliver the meals at home. Don't go to the restaurant with all your kids. Or maybe if you have an infant, don't leave the infant at your mother's place, or at a friend's place, or to sister or brother, or wherever. But don't bring those kids to the restaurant, or maybe to McDonald's, or to Burger King, or to KFC, Nando's, wherever. Leave your kids at home. Please leave them at home. Now you have to sit there. Now you have to listen. Then the mother and the father shout, keep quiet, keep quiet, keep quiet. Be still, be still. No, no, no. We don't want to listen. We don't want that. We don't want that. We don't want that. Okay? We don't want that. So please, leave your kids at home. I say it again, leave them at home. What is wrong with you guys? You guys are bringing all those naughty children to the restaurant, or maybe to McDonald's and to Burger King. But you guys, you guys are working on my nerves. These kids are working on my nerves. Okay? And I'm not even related to those kids, but they're working on my nerves. I'm here to enjoy my meal. Okay? But please, leave them at home. They should make it a law in every country. Okay? No kids in McDonald's, in Burger King, or in a restaurant under the age of 7. Under the age of 7. Not even 5 or 6. 7. Okay? Because at the age of 7, okay, then you start to sit still. You start to be obedient. You're not naughty anymore. because now you will get a smack. Okay, so leave your kids at home. You don't want to listen to crying babies and naughty children running up and see naughty children running up and down, McDonald's and Burger King and all of these nice places. Okay, so please, guys, keep your babies at home. Please, for the last time. The next time, if I'm gonna hear a crying baby in McDonald's or in Burger King or in a restaurant, then I will stand up from my seat. Then I will punch the father straight in the face. That is what I will do. I'll punch him in the face and I'll explain to him afterwards. After I punched him, and I'll explain to him why I did it. Okay, because I'm sick and tired of crying babies. So if you guys have any experience about this, any bad experience, comment below. Okay, like this video if this video was informative. Please share this video. Subscribe to the channel. Okay, and please donate to my PayPal. The donation, my PayPal link will be in the description, and make a small donation. Okay, so guys, that's all that I want to say. Leave your babies at home, please, and goodbye.